Welcome to Las Cascadas de Tulimán, a natural park where you will find lovely footpaths to walk through the woods, a beautiful cascade, a river, and a lot of activities to enjoy. This place is located in a mountain chain called La Sierra Norte de Puebla, in Puebla State, very close to the town Zacatlán de las Manzanas. You can check a video we made about this town by clicking the link in the description. The park is a forest of pine and oaks comprising 92 hectares. The site is divided in 3 zones at different heights, each one with different activities to enjoy. On each zone you will find handicrafts as well as food and drink stands, so you can grab a bite whenever you feel like. You can reach the zones by car and then wander around them, or if you prefer, you can descend a total of 800 meters to the bottom of the river and then walk your way up, as there is only one way in and out of the park. Zone number 1, you will find a path to the cascade and lodges to sleep over. In zone number 2, you will reach the river and follow a footpath to a tree that was hit by lightning. In zone number 3, you will find the bottom of the canyon and activities for children. The forest is beautiful and it is a perfect place to connect with nature. Also, it is well conserved. Growth of area plants such as the Spanish moss is an indicator of ecosystem health, as it only grows under pristine conditions. This plant has a very important role in the ecosystem, as it helps to maintain the humidity and to clean the air by capturing pollutants. In Mexico, there is concern for the conservation of this plant, as it has been overexploited due to a Christmas tradition, where it is employed as decoration. Therefore, extraction of this plant from the forest is illegal. We're starting our way to the Cascades with a lovely walk in the woods. Let's go! This is one of the highest cascades in Mexico, and it is composed of 3 falls. The water flows from the Quetzalpa River, and as it falls, it produces an overwhelming sound. The power and the strength of the running water is astonishing. A little tip: if you'd like to get as close as possible to the cascade while staying dry, bring a raincoat with you, since the mist is strongly blown by the wind. The Zone 2 is the middle part of the trail and is the steepest one, which is mainly inconvenient in the way up. However, it's a short walk and you can perfectly do it. After descending, we cross a hanging bridge above the river and walk around it. The rocks on the bed of the river have a curious shape where you can walk and relax for a few moments if you like. This is only possible during the dry season, as with heavy rain, the area gets flooded. Next, we'll follow a path leading to a tree that was hit by lightning and survived. The tree is called papalotl. This is a Nahuatl word that means butterfly. It was given this name because of the shape of its leaves. Papalotl's center was burned down after getting hit by lightning, creating a hole that can fit 12 standing adults. In Zone 3, we have reached the bottom of the canyon. In this zone, you have the chance to prepare a barbecue in one of the many grills around. There is also zipline circuits and a suspended bridge if you'd like to try. But that's not all. You can also appreciate a small waterfall and the union of two rivers after a short walk on a footpath. If you want to travel to Mexico with us, go to our website and get a free consultation. If you enjoyed this video, press like. And for more information about traveling to Mexico, subscribe to our channel. Bye now.